Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the border color in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, create a table and going to the insert menu option. Then you can say and click for the insert option. Then click for the table option. Now create a table. Then show the paste a table. This table says the border color in select the all table option and going to the design menu option and click for the pen tool option. Then choose color and click for the border option. Now click for the all border option. That's okay. Then show the change border color in the table. Then again table border color is change the others color. Select your table. Now click for the design menu option. Now click for the pen color option. Then choose color. Click for the border option and click for the all border option. That's okay. Then it show the change the border color a table in Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.